Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of camera on Snapchat. To know how to find a solution about or how to solve the problem of camera on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat and you click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data, but so don't click here. At the in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.